Okay guys, paano ba gumamit ng Pag-ibig virtual app or Pag-ibig app? So first is, kailangan meron kang app. Kung wala pa, pwede kang mag-download. So search lang sa Play Store, Virtual Pag-ibig. Virtual Pag-ibig Fund. Then after mong ma-download, just open. So, loading. Then, so, kailangan meron ka ng account. So, let's say na meron ka ng account. So, mag-login na tayo. Pwede kang mag-login gamit yung email address mo. Just type. Then, password. Then, click login. Details you have provided do not match with our records. For question, please call. So, may mali. So, what we gonna do with the dessert? So, enter natin yung tama. Then, click login. So, ito na, makikita mo na yung account details mo. Full name, Pag-ibig MID number mo, then membership category, employed, private, then current employer, yung employer mo, then registered mobile number. So, dito makikita yung kung kailan yung last na ka nag-login. So, click main to view product and services. So, makikita mo dito is regular savings, MP2 savings, housing loan, multi-purpose loan, calamity loan, online payments. So, for regular savings, yung mga remittance mo, dito mo makikita. Total regular savings. So, halimbawa, 7,525.39. So, Pag-ibig MID number, membership category, current employer, initial remittance date, kung kailan ka nagsimula sa paghulog.
Wow!
Then, last remittance date. So, last na remittance. Then, total employee share, total employer share, then total number of contributions. Kung ilang months na. Then, total dividends. So, kung nais mong makita yung remittance mo, like 2020, kung kompleto ba yung buwan na hulog, just type enter year 2020. Then click view. So scroll down. So dito makikita yung mga bayad. December 15, 2020. Just scroll down. Charot. Then, just type year kung ano pa yung taon na nais mong makita. So, that's it. Then, MP2 savings kung meron. Then, housing loan kung meron. We are unable to find an account under your name dahil wala kang housing loan. Charot. Then, multi-purpose loan. Of course, meron. So, view kung nais mong makita, apply kung nais mong mag-apply ng loan. So, dito muna tayo sa view.
Wow!
So, makikita dito is Pag-ibig MID number, employer, application number, date granted, loan granted, then amortization period, then amortization monthly na babayaran mo. So, to view the payments, enter year. Halimbawa, 2022. So, then click view. So, scroll down lang. So, payments. So, dito mo makikita yung mga bayad. Yan. Then, kung nais mong mag-apply, click apply. Loan reference number, status approved. Ito yung previous loan mo. Kung meron. Loan details. Ayan. Mobile number, loan amount, net proceeds, bank name, account number, card number, status, single taken, charot, approved. Then status date, remarks, net monthly income, gross monthly income, employer name, loan purpose, purpose mo sa buhay. Loan purpose, payment of utility, credit card bills, or whatsoever. Ito yung previous. So, to apply, pwede just click apply now. Ayan. So, kung hindi ka qualified, maaari mong makikita is we're unable to process your loan application. You have an existing STL or short-term loan application disbursed on 2022-11-11-25. Halimbawa, that's for an example. Then, if you're, kung qualified ka makapag-loan, ito yung makikita mo. Members' contribution details, total savings, Pag-ibig MID number, loan entitlement. So, 80%. Halimbawa, 6,020.31. Then, less existing loans kung meron kang existing loan. Existing loans, calamity loan, 0. Multi-purpose loan, so meron ka pang balance. So, bayad-bayad pag may time. So, halimbawa, 3,699.26 yung loan balance mo, ibabawas yan. So, maximum net proceeds na lang is 2,321.05. So, desired net proceeds. So, yung gusto mong ma-loan, halimbawa, 2,000 yung pwede mong may loan, 2,300. So, gusto mo lang yung 1,000. Pwede naman. Just type the amount. So, just type lang the amount. So, pwede rin maximum net proceeds. Yung kabuuan na pwede mong makuha. Charot. Done. Then, purpose. Loan purpose, vacation, travel tayo, charot. Then, select long term, 2 years or 3 years to pay. So, get computation. So, computation, loan application details, note that loan amount may subject to change upon branch of approval. So, halimbawa, makukuha mo is 2,321.05. So, hindi pa yan fix. Yung total amount na makukuha mo talaga is kung magkano yung approved ng branch. So, net loan proceeds, add balance of previous loan amount. So, yung loan mo is halimbawa 6,000. Minus previous loan 3,000. So, makukuha mo is 2,000. Then, monthly amortization 85.45. Then, select Loyalty Card Plus. Partner Bank. Char, vacation, travel. So, just continue if nais mong mag-loan. Then, contact. Contact channels ng pag-ibig. Pag-ibig. Kung wala kang pag-ibig, sana all meron. Charot. So, that's it. So, yung mga announcement ng pag-ibig. So, pwede kang mag-log out. So, kung gusto mong malaman yung MID number mo, halimbawa wala ka pang MID number, so get MID number. So, just type tracking number, registration tracking number, 922. Then, last name. Then, birth date. Then, click OK. Then, submit. So, your Pag-ibig membership ID number is 121200000 whatsoever. Charot lang. So, that's it. Then, to view loan status, kung gusto mong malaman yung status ng buhay mo or status ng relationship mo, charot. Select type of loan, multi-purpose loan. Then, MID number. Ano ba yung MID number mo? Just type MID number, then last name, then submit. So, makikita mo na yung loan status mo. Kung ano na. So, that's all for virtual pag-ibig kung paano ba. Pwede kang mag-pay online din. So, pay online. Ano ba yung gusto mong bayaran? Regular savings, MPto savings, housing loan, processing fee, multi-purpose loan, calamity loan. So, pwede mong bayaran through GCash, Maya, Visa, Banknet, or GCB. So, that's all guys. Kung wala ka pang virtual pag-ibig account, just create account. Via Loyalty Card Plus, or create active your account online or account creation for OFWs. So, just follow the steps. Ah, wala pa. Kung kompleto na ako siya yung naon, parang online siya, kay cash lang siya. Ah, oo, ako sa bata, gusto ko kayo, kahit mo.